just left Lincoln Highway behind me as we're going to merge onto US South 11. I will just mention I am a little cautious and nervous behind the wheel, guys. Instead of looking twice, I look about 12 times, and every single car that passed me on that little 5-mile stretch, I clench the wheel and I'm looking for my escape route to kind of see what's off to my right. And that's just going to be a common theme now. I'm always going to look for what is the terrain like off to my right, as far as a ditch, gravel. I'm just always, just makes sense. I feel safer now because the people in the lane next to me are going the same direction as me. But the accident the other day may have changed how I feel better about traveling back roads preferred to highways. I actually feel a lot safer on this route, where those cars over there are not going to swerve into my lane and try to kill me. So, just a fact of life. Even if those things don't cause physical damage, they cause emotional changes in people. It's true. Not to get all sentimental. Like I said, we're fine. We're going to head on east. Okay, so as mentioned, not technically on Lincoln Highway right now. I'm about 4 miles north above Lincoln Highway, and just got into a new state, guys. Let me show you this. There's some information talking about the Ohio River, which we can't see right there, where Lewis and Clark camped. And over here is this strange monument right here that looks kind of like a concrete older version of the southernmost point. This is the divider between Pennsylvania, where I'm standing right now, and Ohio on that side. Talking about the beginning of the U.S. Public Land Survey. Started in this particular area. Over there is West Virginia. It started as Virginia and then later changed to West Virginia when they were doing the survey. Also, this neat little Ohio historical marker talking about the gateway to the Northwest. The Northwest, my hometown. Yeah. So, standing in Ohio right now, and standing in Pennsylvania right now. We are going to meet back up with the Lincoln Highway, but my first big city is actually a big one, and I have not spent very much time in Pennsylvania at all in my life. Just the small northwest tip twice, and I didn't even stop. So this part of the Lincoln Highway through Pennsylvania is going to be pretty epic because, like I said, we are going to start right off in Pittsburgh. First step is to park the RV outside of the main city, and then I will be taking the motorcycle around to look around in my camper van Kevin Don't Run Over Me yellow. So we'll get parked outside of Pittsburgh first. Wait a minute, before we get too far into Pennsylvania, I got a chance to pull off. I'm channeling my inner Homer Simpson and his nuclear power plant days as we have what looks like where Homer Simpson might work. I know there's a few of these across the country, but this is the closest, like the highway, the bridge. We were literally right next to both of these nuclear towers, and there's 3 more over here on the other side of the river. Yeah, that's not terrifying, just nuclear plants. Yeah, let's get out of here. Okay. All right, that was easy, not going all the way into Pittsburgh. Gonna warm the bike up, put all my safety gear on, then we'll go ride into downtown Pittsburgh and have some fun today. Guys, welcome to Canton Avenue in Pennsylvania here. This is officially the steepest road in America. The steepest recorded road. I mean, you thought San Francisco was bad? This road has the claim. There's only one road in the world in New Zealand that actually has the steepest in the world, because even though it's 2 degrees less steep, it's longer than this. But this is 37-degree slope. I would imagine it closes in the winter. It is incredibly steep, and this Jeep here with the center blocks holding it is actually kind of funny. I can't really share with you how steep this really, well, actually we can. See the steps right there? So those are level. This is an incredibly steep hill, and I'm gonna try to get up it. Well, I'm here at the famous incline that was recommended by so many of my viewers when I get to Pittsburgh. I'm only in Pittsburgh one day, guys. Shut down all day for maintenance. They're working, you can see them up there working on the tracks. So it'll be reopened tomorrow when I'm gone, but apparently this is the first day in over a year they've shut this thing down. That's hilarious. Well, have to find something else to do. That would have been cool. It's my luck, man. And welcome downtown, guys, to one of the older cities that I've been to. Reminds me a lot of Chicago and New York. Parking's easy on the bike. Oh yeah, neat. Lots of interesting artwork around here. You got the music players. They had a bronze or something, I don't know. At Mahoney's. Huh, it's interesting. Don't feel like I'm in my element, but hey, it's fun. And get a load of Heinz Field, everybody. That's right. Home of the Pittsburgh Steelers. Boo! Little fun fact for you. The Pittsburgh Steelers have lost more football games in that stadium than any other team in the league. That's a fact. Go Seahawks. Woo! See, all the people from Pittsburgh are watching this. Like, Eric, you missed this. You didn't do that. Why? How could you possibly skip this? Well, I don't do these big cities like everybody else. I do them my way. Because I fear that Pittsburgh could be not a rough area, but there could be bad parts of Pittsburgh, you know? So I'd rather do more nature stuff and less touristy stuff. I really wanted to do the inclined thing. I literally think that's hilarious. You have no idea how many times that happens to me. First time in a year they've shut that down. So I understand though, and they gotta keep it run smooth. Old police telephone there. And a law enforcement memorial with it says ever watchful with a K9 unit. Pretty cool. It's Mr. Rogers, everybody. Aw. We missed you, buddy. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Kind of crude art there. I mean, no, I actually like that. That's different. I like that. Was he from Pittsburgh? I don't know. Look at this view, guys. You know, this cloudy overcast thing, like, I think it's been over a month since I have seen blue skies. You know, hot, and then raining, but just no matter what the temperature is, it has been a long time since the clouds and overcast has not been here. Mr. Rogers, they got cameras too. They got a camera up there. They got a camera right there. That's why it's so clean up here. This is neat. I miss Mr. Rogers. Guys, guess what? The quirky gods are happy with us today in Pittsburgh. Is this? Well, we gotta go across the street. Get a load of RANDYLAND here in Pittsburgh. Somebody has decked out this house. Something about lots of colors like this really intrigues me. I don't know what it is yet. Get a load of this. Is this like Slab City all over almost? Welcome to RANDYLAND. Let's go to the other side. It is definitely art, guys. Gargoyle up there. So let's see, there is an entrance. Oh my gosh. Look at this place, guys. What in the... So this must be Randy of RANDYLAND out front here. Oh, we're going in here. It definitely feels like Slab City, but like more classy. I absolutely just love all the colors. Okay, all the doors painted.
Yeah. Look out, Boone.
And they do have souvenirs, guys. Coffee cups. Look at new magnet for my collection. Yep. Well, guys, guess what? We made it to the top here. Check this place out. Look at this view down here from up here. I met one of the operators and owners, Fu, here. He's going to tell us a little bit about this place.
Yeah,
Please.
I'm so glad I ran into you, and I'm sad that Jax isn't here, but basically, this is Randy's house. He bought it on a credit card in 1995, right? And it was only $10,000. This used to be the worst of the neighborhoods.
Oh.
And like, should I look at you or the camera?
Whatever you want, buddy.
Awesome. I don't know. See, in my
Whatever's comfortable.
yeah, in my thing, I always look at the camera and
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
But I'll look at you. So yeah, Randy bought this place on a credit card in '95, and this was like the actual Mexican war streets. There were guns, there were violence, and no one wanted this. There were over like 100 or so vacant lots, and Randy adopted them all and planted gardens throughout the '80s.
Oh, okay.
So he found this place and decided to settle down, and by settle down, become an epic dumpster diver.
Apparently.
And everything you see here is out of the trash, from the chairs to the doors. Almost
Wow.
everything he's painted over the last 20 years. And now people are coming from all over the world just to see kind of what he's done. He's Tom Sawyered me into painting myself. He's like, you know what happiness is? Taking a paintbrush to a fence, just like chilling out. And I'm like, oh, that sounds mother.
It was really nice to meet you, Fu.
Yeah,
Can you
so-
tell the people where you're at?
Yeah, so I have a YouTube channel outside of RANDYLAND called G3AR, and that's where we have a few 100,000 subscribers like you. It's funny
Neat.
I bumped
Fantastic.
into you. So this is a mini collab.
There we go.
And yeah, we do superhero weapons at night. But
Okay.
as for RANDYLAND, we're always here.
This is one of the best of Pittsburgh, I think. Yeah. What's the address here?
So this is 1501 Arch Street.
Okay.
And it's open 10 a.m. to dusk. And, you know, we only have one rule. And if you do not play, you cannot stay.
Sounds
Hey,
like-
thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care. That was fantastic. I'm glad I introduced myself. Not too many people get to go to the upper balcony. I'm glad I met Fu. And so I'm going to head back to the RV now and go hang out with Jax for the rest of the day. I've had enough of downtown Pittsburgh. I missed you, buddy. I sure did. I missed my kitty. You chilling? Is the floor nice and cold in your belly? Okay, you want to hang out? Cool. All right. Oh, so pitiful. So pitiful. Oh, okay. Oops, I almost forgot to show you guys my magnet. How colorful is that? RANDYLAND. Heck yeah. Alrighty. Woohoo. And this one, I know I forgot to show you my Ohio State Reformatory magnet as well. I know I forgot to show you that one, but it's there. Don't worry. Well, guys, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. Jackson, I'll see you back on the road as we continue to have more fun in Pennsylvania along the Lincoln Highway. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.